In this tutorial, you'll learn how to show the playback speed control on a specific slide using JavaScript in Articulate Storyline 360. Start by opening your project in Articulate Storyline 360. Then open the player settings, scroll down to player controls, and check the tick playback speed and click OK. By default, this adds the playback speed control to every slide in your course. But now we're going to make it appear only where needed, using a bit of JavaScript. Go to the View tab and open the Slide Master. Now create a new trigger that executes JavaScript when the timeline starts. In the JavaScript editor, paste the following code to hide the playback speed control using the hidden attribute. Click OK to save and close the Slide Master. Now the playback speed control is hidden across all slides by default. Next, go to the specific slide where you want the playback speed control to appear. Add another trigger, also set to run JavaScript when the timeline starts. In the JavaScript editor, paste the following code to remove the hidden attribute. This makes the control visible again. Click OK and then preview your course. And that's it. You've successfully shown the playback speed control on a specific slide in Articulate Storyline 360. Thanks for watching and happy course creating with Articulate Storyline 360.